What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Real Joe's Barbecue, and today is December 31st. And you know what that means? New Year's Eve party. And what does every New Year's Eve party need? A bomb-ass dip. And I am gonna show you what we're gonna be making today. I got some brisket left over, so I'm gonna be making a smoked brisket queso, and it is gonna be amazing. So let's get right into it. I already have quite a bit of brisket chopped up here. I'm gonna be smoking it in the Char-Griller 980, of course, in this pan. The other ingredients, I have 3 jalapenos. I put these on the smoker for a little bit, gave them a little smoke, gave them a little char, some pepper jack cheese, of course, the original Velveeta. We got some Mexican 4 cheese. I got some Philadelphia cream cheese. And of course, some Rotel tomatoes. So you've already seen how this is done. So we're gonna do it real fast, like no reason to show you everything getting cut up. So we'll use the magic of editing this video. First things first, we cubed up the Velveeta into the pan. That's just gonna help it melt faster. Next, I'm adding some of the tomatoes. These are the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Following that, I shall dice up the jalapenos. Right on top of the tomatoes. I'll make some brisket in there. Now I have more brisket in the fridge I can chop up if needed. Now the pepper jack. Cubed up next to this. We're adding in some Mexican 4 cheese. I like my dips cheesy, like so. And then, when I went to Walmart yesterday, they were out of almost everything to make dips. And I thought, what the heck? It is a random Friday, and there is no Philadelphia cream cheese cubes, no cream cheese blocks. So I had to get a container of it, third less fat. This is New Year's, we don't care about fat. That doesn't start till tomorrow. So we're throwing this in, a little disappointed. Wish I could've got the full fat, but it's no big deal. Just like that. And like that, we're ready for the smoker. Let's throw it on. All right, just threw it on the smoker. And you know who my favorite kitchen helper is? Hey Alexa, set a 1-hour timer.
1 hour, starting now.
So helpful. In 1 hour, I'm gonna go out there, mix it up, we'll see what we got. But until then, we just have to wait, I guess. Oh, I'm getting so tired waiting for that queso to get done. I might fall asleep and then it could burn. Oh man, I'm so tired. What am I gonna do?
Well, Dad, maybe this will help.
What is that? This is just what I needed. I can do the whole puzzle now! Ah! Ah! That's where our Monster product placement and ad would go if they sponsored us.
Okay.
But they don't. So we're cutting it. Thank you. Are you hungry? Do you want any ribs?
No.
Oh boy. Look at this, guys. Just pulled it off the smoker. It's been about, probably about an hour and 30 minutes, hour and 40 minutes. This came together awesome. I cannot wait to try that. It'll be so good. But before I try that, while I was filming this video, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Look at that. We're finally gonna give this away. We're giving this away. We're giving a meat stick away. We're giving Drunkenchef rubs away. We're giving a FireCage away from McCool Barbecue Company. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment on the video. And in the comment, put in there Gorilla Gang. And then I'll use a random comment picker. I'll record it so everyone can see how it's done. And I'll pick all the names for the prizes. And it'll just pick off the people that put down Gorilla Gang. So remember, you have to be a US resident to win this cutting board, the seasonings, the FireCage. If you want to have a chance to win something, you're not a US resident, I'll send you a sticker if you win. Sticker and a magnet. But thank you so much everyone for subscribing. It's been an awesome year. I can't believe I hit 1,000 before 2023. This video is technically coming out in 2023, but today is New Year's, and let's get into trying this dip. So as you can see, this looks awesome. It mixed together perfectly. Everything's melted, there's no chunks. Let's try this out. It is hot, right off the smoker. Oh wow. Wow. That is so good. Super cheesy. Has a little bit of heat from the pepper jack and the jalapenos. Not a lot though, but it has so much smoke flavor from being on the smoker, but also having that brisket in there with all the seasonings from that. This is gonna be hard not to just eat all by myself. Like, I don't even wanna take this to the party. I just wanna stay here and eat this by myself. Man, I know every time I make a dip, I say that was my favorite, but this is by far my favorite dip I've ever made. This is so good. And what I'm gonna do, since we're going to a party, I'm just gonna take this, pour it into a crock pot, take that, be easy to keep it warm the whole time. Again, thank you so much everyone for subscribing. It's been an awesome journey so far, and we have tons more to bring in. It's gonna be awesome. So thank you so much. Have a good one, and we'll see you next video.